Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to zoom in and out in Microsoft Edge. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Microsoft Edge. So there's three ways to zoom in and out in Microsoft Edge. The first way is by clicking Control, then using your mouse, scroll up using the scroll wheel. And if you want to zoom out, scroll down using your scroll wheel. And another way to zoom in and out in Microsoft Edge is by clicking Control again. And in your keyboard, if you don't have a mouse, click on the plus sign right here. But before clicking on the plus sign, click on Control, then the plus sign. There you go. And if you want to zoom out, click on the minus sign. And there you go. And another way to zoom in and out in Microsoft Edge by clicking right here. There you go. And clicking the minus sign to zoom out. There you go. So yeah, that's how you zoom in and out in Microsoft Edge. This is very useful if you can't see. And here's a bonus tip for you guys. I have a tip for you guys if you don't want to zoom in and out over and over again and you just want your Microsoft Edge to say as zoom as you want or as zoom out as you want. Just click on the three dots on the top right, then go to settings. Once you're here, click on accessibility. And once you're here at accessibility, you will be located right here at Microsoft Edge easier to see. And then click on here in the page zoom and change it to your size that you want. For example, 125. There you go. Every time I open a new tab, it is all 125. So yeah, that's how you zoom in and out in Microsoft. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.